Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Louise. If you're new here, I'm a full-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I'm currently living in my motorhome in a friend's yard because we're moving. But we are under contract for a new house. We're closing next week. So very excited about that. I'm planning to make some videos about setting up my new office space in case that will be useful to anybody. But today we're here with another ThredUP rescue box. You can't really see it. Unboxing. They were doing over the long weekend. They were doing, was it for the long weekend? I don't remember. There was a free shipping, so I ordered a few. I have two here. I'll split them into two different videos. I have a couple more on the way. Last one was not so great. First one was stellar. I don't really know what this one's gonna be, but I'm hoping for decent. Yeah, at the end, I'll come back. I'll tell you how many there were. There's supposed to be 25 items in here. Because there was no shipping, I paid, I think, $63 for the box. So I'll divide by how many I'll be able to sell and come back at the end and let you know what my average price per item that I'm going to list was. So let's open it. Oops. Okay. I can't wait to have an office again, y'all. So ready. My friend is like the most gracious human being on earth, and we have been here way too long. It's time. Okay, hopefully my cats are not going to make this an obnoxious experience like the last time. So there's no, oh, I think I opened it upside down, so the paper will be at the end. Anyway, it's supposed to be 25 items. Let's hit it. This, okay, I thought the zipper was broken, but it's a reversible something. Okay, Mason Scotch. That's pretty good. It's a little like quilted navy zip up jacket, and then let's see what I think the reverse side's pretty cute if it's not damaged. It is pretty small. Let's see. Here's this side. Really cute. Unfortunately, I don't really see a size. It could be in the pockets because it's reversible. But I would guess, I'll measure it, but I would guess this is probably a size small. Just based on what it feels like. But that's cute. I'll take it. No problem. Okay. Then we've got J. Crew boy. But size 8. It's women's, so I guess it's like a boy cut shirt. Little color block moment. Sure. Standard J. Crew, not the outlet. So that's fine. Really good shape. It doesn't feel hardly worn at all. Okay, this has a really nice price tag on it. Anne Fontaine. I don't know anything about this brand, but it's new with tags. It's like a kind of watercolor print, ruffle front. Little number. I'm not going to button it right now, but there's like a lace up on the back. I'll look that up, but that seems promising. Okay, this is interesting. Joe Rocket. I'm going to assume this is like a motorcycle jacket. Okay, also new with tags. $159.95, size extra large. Yeah, so this is like a protectant. So here's the front. And then the back has like it says turtle shell on the tag. So that's pretty good. I'll take that. I don't know anything about that brand, but I love to learn. It does seem to be maybe shedding, which isn't so great. Like there's little black bits coming off of it, so I'll probably need to like whack that around a little. Okay, this feels like J. Crew too. Oh no, Loft, size 0, linen pencil skirt with some like neon piping. I'm assuming linen, fully lined. Oh, it's 100% cotton. I was wrong. Not a great item, but not a terrible item. Take it. This one is Banana Republic, size medium. This has the little bra things so you can wear a regular bra with it. Just a little floral number. I don't really understand. This is tacked right here, so I don't really get that, but this side is not tacked, so I think it just needs to be fixed. Okay, this item is very linty and yucky. Okay, J. Crew Factory, size 6, scalloped edge shorts. Will I list these? Questionable. Probably, just because I have them, and the reason I'm doing this is that I haven't found great sourcing options here. Cable and gauge, size medium, just a black like pop over shirt. I probably will not list that. Black is a pain in the butt for me to photograph, and that's just a t-shirt essentially. So I think that's probably a no. I was gonna throw it in the no box, but I want to count them. So Banana Republic silk, size small, tall. This is navy blue silk button up. If it is not, oh, it's a pop over actually. If it's not stained in any way, I will list this. It is 100% silk, so not a bad item there. What are you? Madewell, size medium. I think I have actually listed this dress before. I don't know if it ever sold. I'll have to check, but it reminds me of like a 90s grunge. It's got little Juliet sleeve. It's lined in the, not the sleeves, but everywhere else. Higher neck. Nope, not a higher neck. V-neck. So that's a good one. Size, whatever I didn't say. Medium. Did I say that? I think maybe I did. Okay, we have some Madewell itty bitty teeny tiny jeans. Size skinny, 25-inch waist. These are questionable. I'm going to put them in the maybe pile. Madewell jeans in general are a rough sell for me. Skinny jeans in general are a rough sell for me. And size 25 in general is a rough sell for me. So that's kind of like 3 strikes, you know. Okay, White House Black Market, size small, little crossover shirt. Probably will list that, although definitely not my favorite. I swear the cat is just acting up because the video is going. Okay, this is Talbot's, new with tags, but it's, excuse me, it's Talbot's factory, but it's just a button front, kind of geometric print, navy top. The sleeves have a different print and the buttons are really cute. So I'll list that. Calvin Klein doesn't have a size. I wouldn't pick this up, but I will list it after I measure it because the size tag has been removed. But it's like a snake print button down. The top is kind of this bluish purple. I would guess it's a large, if I had to guess. Some stripes. Okay, United Colors of Benetton. Red and black, striped. This is cute. The little detail reminds me of like a baby one-piece outfits. Tags cut out. I don't know the size. But I would say probably small. More stripes. This is... well, that's interesting. This is size small loft. Just a oversized button down, but it's this kind of like Nantucket red and white color. Okay. We have loft size small lace blue blouse. Again, wouldn't pick it up, but I'll go ahead and list it. Okay, Lily Pulitzer, size small, but not like a typical bright, colorful lily. This has got some like crocheted accents. It just like a popover. I'll have to... can you see this cat? Look at him. It's because his pills are in the microwave because he can get all the cabinets in this motorhome open and his pills and pill pockets are in the microwave and he's trying to get it open. Anyway, I'm gonna have to measure to see if this is a dress or like a tunic cover up. It's fine. There were days when that would have been very exciting. Not so much anymore. Come here, Jay. Do you want to say hi? Come here. Say hi to the people. Hi. Okay. All right. Wilfred Free, size small. I think this is a skirt. It's like a ribbed, yeah, long pencil skirt. Okay. I see another tag. Zella, I think. But can't find the neck. Yeah, so this is Z by Zella, size extra small. It does have the tag. Okay, so this is like a really wild neck, athletic, open front jacket top thingamabobber. Okay, this is not something I can identify. He's back up there. Oh my God. Halogen, size medium. This is just like a career top. I'll probably list that, but I'm not 100% sure. Jade, come on, buddy. Off the counter. Come on. Okay. Banana Republic, size large, new with tags, shorts, and these are linen rayon viscose, just these little pink pull-on shorts. Wrong season, but that's fine. I think we have like 3 more. Loft, size small. This is really cute. It's a cardigan, or not a cardigan, a little red sweater with buttons down the back. That's really cute, and that will be a fun holiday sweater for someone. It's like, it's not in new condition, but it's fine. Do not remove this tag. Okay, Express, size 12. Oh, these are shorts, really high-rise sparkle shorts. These will be really fun for somebody. Jade, hello. Do you want to get down? Little pill. Last thing are more Madewell jeans. Still skinny, but at least a size 29. Raw hem, chewed hem. These ones I'll probably list because they're a better size. Okay, I'm gonna count these items and then I'll come back and give you my update and my thoughts. Okay, I'm back. So there were 24 items, not 25. Sometimes that happens. I've gotten 26, I've gotten 24. I won't say anything because that's pretty close. This is by far the best item. And assuming there's nothing wrong with it that's causing it to shed those little black bits, but assuming there's not, this should sell for $75 to $90 depending. So that's great. My average cost of goods here for the items I'm going to sell, I did count the skinny black Madewell jeans and the black scalloped shorts, but not the black t-shirt. So $2.60 an item. If I don't list those two, that'll go up a bit more, but I'm pretty happy. It wasn't a bad box. I would say this was right between my first one and my second one for this round, and I'm gonna go ahead and do another video and open the other one. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want to see more unboxings or you'd like to watch my new office unfold, subscribe. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll be back soon. And until then, happy selling.